Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your nose up. Baby, I'm with it if you with it, and what's the hold up? I just need to know what you get in when I roll up. I just need to know,
Legit vibe.
Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your...
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's try it again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanaya, or you can call me Miss Prissy with that flush of boat. And today I'm going to be doing this beginner-friendly, gold, simple look. Yeah. So I don't know what to call it, cause it's really like none too major. Well, look at how like popping. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, especially if this is your first time seeing my face, and hit the bell. And I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know. I'm so irritated. My mind is off track because my dang on camera lens thing was dirty during me recording the video, and now it looks so clear and stuff. So I hope my video not trash. Okay, like I said, let's get into the video. Okay, everybody, so we're gonna start off with the foundation. I already filled in my eyebrows. They look mad thick, but that's okay. So I'm using, what's this? Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth in the color coconut, and I'm just gonna pour that out on this little brush, and I'm going to make little dots all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it in. So I had took the foundation and put it on my eyelids also to have that as a base. And I'm also going to clean up my eyebrows with the foundation too. Now that I'm done with the foundation and everything, I'm going to take the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and this is mixed. I use banana and I think it's topaz, and I mix them all together. I'm so funny. I mix them all together and I bake with it. As you can see, I didn't use no concealer. I've been into this foundation thing lately, so yeah. Now I'm going to take the burnt orange in my Anastasia palette, and I'm just going to put that down all over my lid just to have a color or something there. Now we taking the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, my fave, and I'm going to do a little wing liner or whatever. When it comes to mascara, but I would use like any old regular mascara. I'm really not into it for real. I'm still using the same little mascara that I got from the dollar store. LA Colors Dramatic Lash. So yeah. And I low-key almost forgot to do this part, but I'm finna like contour my face with powder and blend and all that good stuff. Now I'm taking one of my favorite palettes right now, the Profusion Royals palette, and I'm taking that gold, what is it called? Zenith, whatever that word is. And this is so pretty. I love this gold. Really love it. I should have wear my brush so it could have been extra popping, like, but this was still cute or whatever. I should name the title of this video Can't Get Right, because I was messing up through this whole video. Like, I don't know where my mind was at, but I should have put this black liner in my waterline before I put that gold right there. So I just had to end up doing it after it. Yeah, I just can't get right for some reason. So now I took that Wet n Wild liner and I put it in my little inner corner, whatever you want to call it. I did the little cat eye thing. It's super cute. I don't even think I never tried this before, but I like it. And I'm also going to outline my lips with a brown pencil. this video can't get right, I'm finna get ready and spray my face. And I forgot to do my nose contour, and I really like that part. So I don't know how I forgot to do it. So let me tell y'all how broke in the budget I'm on. So I got the what is it, the Wet n Wild brush. I think it's a contour brush. I got a bobby pin at the end of it to make it skinny to fit and do that perfect thing for my nose. So yeah, that's a little hacky hack for all the newbies. So I just sprayed my face with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Spray, and now I'm going to take that gold out the Profusion. The Profusion palette, and I'm going to highlight with that. This is so pretty as a highlight. Like, it's like, oh my god, it's so popping, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Like, when the sun or when the light hits your cheek the right way, and somebody see that, what? It's lit.